Good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Today is another day, a new chapter, a new journey. And with me is my big boy. In November to go walking, enjoying the city like I always do. And I'm here at this art store to get some art supplies. Adiós. Gracias. Most of what we wanted. Now we're heading back home. And I have to walk back to pick up the canvas because it's big. Sunny day to go walking, get some supplies. As you can see, Hindi does not and is not a fan of birds nor cats. Jacaranda confundido. Can you see the jacarandas in bloom? Oh, right there. By nature and the changes, forgive me. Just walking through the city and observing the changes, I get excited, sometimes a little sad. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, bien, aquí.
Qué milagro, ¿eh?
Es lo que digo. ¿Cómo te va?
Bien.
No,
Yo quiero piña,
sí,
plátano y jengibre.
sí. Dos ramas.
Se puede pasear.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
20 pesos.
¿Algo más, amiguita?
Ahorita no, solamente esto. Gracias. Sí, 20.
No, que ya están los 20.
¿Es 20?
Sí.
¡Órale! No conozco. Ellos parecen, ¿no?
Ah, sí, son parecidos.
I'm preparing curry. I'm going to be cooking curry. Well, I already seasoned the pot, so this we have curry, shrimp, quinoa, and rice. But I'll show you what that looks like at the end. Delicious lunch dinner. I'm gonna take a siesta. Normally I'll take Hendy for a walk, but I have to get some rest. I'm not even cleaning up the dishes and it's a mess in the sink. Taking Hendy out for his fun time, and he's all so focused on his walk because he has a ball in his mouth that he won't let go of. having his fun time. Indy had his fun time. Now we're heading back. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video.